Even as Karur Stampede probe is underway, headed by an SIT, a new controversy is erupted. Social media users have targeted Judge Senthil Kumar of Madras High Court. This after Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin was spotted at the family wedding of the judge, Senthil Kumar. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin attended Judge Senthil Kumar's family wedding, seen greeting people on the stage. Media, in fact, social media users targeted the Madras High Court judge, alleging that the judge had ties with DMK after the chief minister was seen at a family wedding. Following this, multiple arrests were made by the Tamil Nadu cyber crime police following, in fact, the Karur Stampede. Remember, this was the same judge of the Madras High Court who slammed Vijay for fleeing this stampede spot on the fateful day that claimed 40 lives. Pramod is getting in more details. Pramod, the very fact that the Chief Minister is attending a family function of the judge in question who was overseeing the matter in connection with the stampede is going to raise brows, isn't it? At the end of the day, TVK Chief Vijay was slammed for what was being seen as a highly disorganized political rally, and the very fact that Vijay was not even there. In fact, he left the venue, didn't meet the victims. All of that was questioned by the judge himself.
Well, the very important aspect here is that this was a wedding where L. Murugan was invited, Governor Ravi was invited, and the Chief Minister M.K. Stalin was invited. But after Justice Senthil Kumar went ahead and gave these observations, especially claiming how could a leader of a party can flee from such a situation, the second-level leaders, where were they? This turned out to be an issue for TVK supporters who had gone ahead and questioned about the judge's integrity, and that has turned out to be a very big issue because the judge is the one who also called in for a special investigation team headed by Asragag IG to conduct the investigation at Karur, and the team has also gone to Karur right now. And that is why cybercrime is probing this case, and for now, 3 people have been arrested for such slandering of the judge on social media.
Pramod Madhav, getting in those details. We'll come back to you for more on that, but these are pictures of the Chief Minister who was a part of the function, of the family function. It was the wedding essentially within the judge's family here. Let's tell you a little about the Karur Stampede. They claimed 41 lives. Once again in the spotlight is what we were telling you. Now this is NDA's fact-finding team which is investigating the matter, has blamed the tragedy on complete administrative failure and mismanagement. The team concluded that this incident was entirely preventable and caused by gross negligence on the part of local authorities. Exclusive details accessed by us reveal the MP's report paints a grim picture of chaos and poor crowd management at the event, which drew an estimated 30,000 people to a venue designed actually to accommodate only 2,000 to 3,000 people. Witnesses have said that MPs, in fact, they've told the MPs that Vijay threw water bottles into the crowd in an attempt to help. But as people bent down to pick them up, many were crushed. The fact-finding team has found the power supply failed moments after the chaos began, and the backup generator did not start, plunging the venue into complete darkness and worsening the panic at that point in time. The report of NDA MPs claimed that Karur tragedy was a preventable disaster caused by administrative negligence. M&M Chief Kamal Hassan is expected to visit Karur today to meet the victims and the kin of the deceased. We'll be getting in more details from that story from Pramod Madhav as political parties make a beeline. The NDA's own fact-finding team has found that there was gross negligence on the part of, in fact, of Vijay and team TVK. Details accessed by us reveal that the MP's report has painted a rather grim picture of chaos and poor crowd management at the event, which drew an estimated 30,000 people to this venue that was not designed to accommodate 30,000 people. It was designed to accommodate not more than 3,000 people. Witnesses have told the MPs that Vijay threw bottles into the crowd in what he thought was an attempt to help them. But as the people bent to pick them up, many were crushed. The fact-finding team has found power supply failed moments after the chaos began, and the backup generator did not start. Pramod has more. Pramod, the NDA's fact-finding team clearly says that this was, in fact, by and large, the failure of the TVK and the manner in which this permission was given for a crowd of 30,000 people when the venue could just accommodate not more than 3,000 people, isn't it?
Well, Sneha, this is a report that is from the 8 MPs of NDA. They had come over there. In fact, for all these kind of questions that have been put forward, even Hema Malini MP asked this question on the very same day, how a small area could be given for such a place. But what happens is that, on the other hand, we also have the government authorities who claim that such larger crowd already did conduct a program over there that was of AIADMK 2 days ahead of the TVK program. Not just that, also in that particular area, the Tamil Nadu government very clearly says through visuals which they have that there was no power cut, no kind of any sort of issues. The generator was cut because of the overcrowding over there, and the generator was provided by TVK and not by Tamil Nadu government, and such kind of replies have also been given. In fact, as one side, when NDA is placing all these allegations, Chief Minister M.K. Stalin has also hit back at the committee members, claiming that why such committee was not sent immediately to areas like Manipur, Gujarat or Uttarakhand, where such issues like Kumbh Mela and such. But here it has come so quickly, and he claims that this is nothing but a political, they are trying to change it to a political issue, Sneha.